In today's video, I'm going to teach you Notion, how to build a daily planner with recurring tasks you pick from. Go ahead and open Notion in your browser. I'm assuming you're already logged in, so once you're on your workspace, look over to the left sidebar and click Add a Page. This creates a fresh page where we can build the planner from scratch. At the top of the new page, type Recurring Tasks as the title. After that, click into the page body and type / then Table View. From the menu that appears, choose Table View. Notion will ask what kind of data source you want to use, so click New Database. This gives you a clean table to work with. Now we're going to set up the basic columns. By default, the first column is usually called Name. Click that column header and rename it to Task. This makes it clearer, especially once you start using this as a planner. Next, add a Date field. In the table header, click the plus icon to add a new property. From the list of property types, choose Date. This column is important because it's what lets your recurring items appear on the right day. Now move to the top right of the database and find the blue New button. Don't click the main part of the button yet. Instead, click the small down arrow next to it. From that drop-down, choose New Template. This is where we create a reusable recurring task setup. A new template page opens. At the top, name this template Morning Routine. Inside the page content, click on an empty line and type open bracket, close bracket, then press space. That creates a checkbox block in Notion. Do that again on the next line so you have a second checkbox. These can represent actions in your routine, like simple tasks you want to check off each day. Now look for the property area in the template, where your date field appears. Click the empty date property field and choose Today or Now. The key here is that you want this to fill dynamically, so each time the template is created by the recurrence, it uses the current date instead of a fixed old date. Once that's done, click on an empty area outside the template content so you can return to your database view. Now we'll turn this template into an automatic daily task generator. Again, click the down arrow next to the blue New button. In the drop-down, you should now see your morning routine template listed. Click the 3 dots next to that template. In the menu that appears, look for the Repeat option and choose the setting that says Duplicate Every. Change that to Every Day. After selecting Daily Recurrence, set the start date and choose the exact time you want this task to appear. For example, you might want it to generate every morning at a specific hour. Once you've chosen the schedule, click Save. From now on, Notion will automatically create a new morning routine task every day at that time, using your template and assigning the dynamic date. At this point, the core setup is done. You now have a daily planner system with recurring tasks that are generated automatically from a template you created. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. To make it easier to see the generated tasks on a schedule, let's add a calendar view. At the top of your database, next to the Current Table tab, click the plus icon. From the View options, select Calendar. Notion creates a calendar view of the same database, so you're not making a second database here, just a different way to look at the same tasks. Once the calendar opens, you'll be able to see your recurring morning routine entries appear on their assigned dates. This is really useful if you prefer planning visually instead of only looking at rows in a table. You can switch back and forth between the table and calendar views anytime, depending on whether you want to edit details quickly or see your schedule laid out by day. You can also repeat the same process to create other routines you want to pick from, like an evening reset, workout checklist, or work startup routine. Just create another template from the new drop-down, add the checkbox items you want inside it, assign the date property to Today or Now, and then set its recurrence schedule. That way, your planner becomes a flexible system with multiple recurring task types instead of just one. And that's it. You've successfully built a Notion daily planner with recurring tasks you can create from templates and view on a calendar. Once it's set up, Notion handles the repetition for you, which saves time and keeps your daily planning much more organized.